Last week at Huntex, I bought myself the Ballistics wet tumbler. I'm going to show you now how it works. I think it's a wonderful product. What's good about it is that it is a see-through tumbler, so you can view your brass as it cleans and also when it is cleaned. So let me show you how it operates. So here we go. As you can see, you can clearly view your brass as it tumbles. At this moment I have 3% brass, 300 PRC here. It makes a noise, but nonetheless I think it works good, very well. It's the fourth time I'm using it since last week, and it's a simple operation. On-off button, switch it on. Here you have a selector to change the speed, slow, fast. And all in all, I think Ballistics did a good job in manufacturing this tumbler. Okay, I'm going to show you how to remove this lid. It has a simple lever. Remove the round bar and the lever. As you can see, the lever is oblong, so when you rotate it, the stick section presses against the lid, and then it's closed. It actually creates a vacuum in here, so you have to take a blunt object and then you just lift it up. And then to reverse the process, and then it's closed.